Hi family, so I wanted to come on here today and briefly let you guys know about the application Raz-Kids. I will be sharing some information shortly with you guys regarding the login information for each one of your children. It's an individual one, so I will message it through Class Dojo to each one of you. But I wanted to walk you guys through the steps of using it. So Raz-Kids is an application that you will use for reading, and this is a great application to use for the reading assignments that I am assigning daily. So I wanted to show you guys how to connect on Raz-Kids. And I wanted to show you because there's two ways. Of course, there's multiple ways to doing things on our iPads now. So here's the iPad, and it should look similar to yours. You are going to click on this little icon here, which is a little robot. You click on that. And if you see, I've already signed in, so mine already pops up here. So Ms.Torres. But if it doesn't, you're going to click on the white little box, enter, and you're going to click C for Cynthia, C, T for Tom, O, R, R, E, S, and the numbers 5, 5. Ms.Torres 55. That's my code or my username. I will share that with you as well, don't worry. And then you're going to click the green arrow. And then you will see all of the students in my classroom will pop up, okay? All you have to do is click on the student's name. For example, I'm gonna choose one of our friends that I received permission to help us out so we can do these videos. So let's just say I choose our friend here, Alejandro. I click on it. And his password, now I'm gonna enter his password because everyone in my classroom has the same password. So this is why I wanted you guys to watch me do this. Everyone is going to click on the little watermelon. Okay, so once you click on the watermelon, you're gonna click go. And it'll take you here to this reading room. You wanna click on the reading room. And you wanna click on leveled books. And then you have access to all of the books to read. Now our friend Alejandro was in TK, so you can see some of his items have already checked off, meaning he's already done it, but usually they're not checked off. Here you can listen to it, here you can read it, and then there's a little option that you can answer questions. Okay, you get points every time you read, and as we move forward, I will then start leveling the students based on where I feel they should be reading. That's one way, again, to enter for Raz-Kids. Now, the other way is if you go through Class Link. So if you're on Class Link, you're gonna click on the little icon there. And then, of course, you enter your QR code that every student has. And I'm gonna enter it using one of the codes that was, again, shared. So you enter the code, and it should take us right to it. And again, you're gonna click here. Now, when you get to this portion here, remember I told you always click on my backpack? So you click on my backpack, you click on Ms.Torres Kindergarten, and then you click on apps. Now, you should be able to see it here, but of course, as everything else, it's not there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back. I'm gonna keep going back. Let's go here. Okay, so when you get to this main screen, right when you enter the QR code, there's another little application called Learning A to Z. This is exactly the same thing we just did on Raz-Kids, but it's just named differently. So you're gonna click on Learning A to Z, and you will see it takes you right back to Raz-Kids. So it's the same way to log in. You enter the username. Obviously, we've already entered in here, so that's why it already allowed me to come in. But you would then enter the information here, Ms.Torres 55, click it, and then it would enter you in. So I'm gonna send all of this information out, but I did wanna share with you guys that there's two different ways to connect. So there's that one, and there's the Class Link. I honestly don't know which one would be better on your end, but just try to play around with it, see what's easier for you. Because some people might have difficulty with one or the other, I wanted to show you both. So you can enter directly through Raz-Kids if you have that application on there, because a lot of them might not have it. So that's why I'm sharing that's one way. Otherwise, you can get the application through Class Link, but make sure you look for it. It's called Learning A to Z, okay? I will be sending all this information out. If you have any questions, let me know. I am trying to do these videos to make it easy for you and explain to you, possible issues that may arise. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good one.